Hey, what's up mga pamangkin? So ito na naman pong inyong adventurerong Yotits. Rock and roll. So next up, para sa ating DXF The Grand Line Series or GLS Egghead Island Arc toy unboxing series. Meron tayo ritong figure ng navigator ng Straw Hat Crew na si Nami. So, huwag na natin patagalin. I-unbox na natin itong malupitang figure na to. Rock and roll. So, gaya ng figure nung kay Luffy, naka-clamshell din yung kay Nami. So, ang naiiba lang yung kay Rob Lucci na naka-typical na plastic. Pero yung kay Nami and kay Luffy, parehas naka-clamshell. Ayan, may plastic covering pa. Authenticity check. Mag-focus. Bakit ayaw mag-focus? Problema mo. Yan. Yan. So wala masyadong ganap dito sa figure ni Nami. Base and actual figure itself lang. Yan. Let's go ahead and take a closer look sa napaka-hot na si Nami na naka-bikini kagad. And then yan, additional markings. So nothing much. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a closer look here kay Nami. Yan. SSG, so alam na natin meaning yan. Special Science Group. Of course, ang kanyang iconic tattoo. Ang galing yung bracelet, gumagalaw pa talaga. Tapos yung additional markings kanina. And then yung kanyang alam na natin. Yan. Siyempre, hindi mawawala. Eye test. So Nami's figure, it's about 17.5 centimeters. So that's roughly about 6 and actually about close to 7 inches na. Alright. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa video na ito, huwag kakalimutang mag-like, pindutin lang ang thumbs up icon sa baba, at syempre mag-subscribe. Pindutin na din ang bell para hindi kayo maunahan ng mga marites. At kung sobrang nag-enjoy o meron kayong gustong isuggest, please leave a comment below. On to the show! Rock and roll! And there you have it. DXF, the Grand Line Series or GLS. Egghead Island Arc version ni Nami. Let's roll the montage. Rock and roll.